What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're gonna see 5 style hacks to make you look taller. If you're interested, make sure to watch it till the end so you don't miss any of these 5 styling hacks. If you're new to my channel, make sure to check out my previous videos about men's fashion, men's grooming, and fragrance reviews. If you're a subscriber, you can go to my videos and check the videos that you might have missed. So if you're ready, I am ready. Let's start this video. Let's start off with your pants. There are 2 things you need to take into consideration. First thing is the length of the pants. As you guys can see, the pants that I'm using here haven't been altered, so there are a lot of excess fabric on the legs area and especially at the bottom, and we don't want that, okay? It doesn't look neat and you will look shorter than you actually are. This, however, is a great example of a good fit if you want to look taller. You can see that the jeans is hugging my thighs and my legs perfectly, and most especially the length of the jeans. We don't have any baggy or excess fabric at the bottom. Right here, as you can see, is just around the ankle. Okay. Next tip we have is you need to find your ideal waistline. To me, I need to pull my waistline up to make it appear like my lower torso is mahaba. We don't want to do this, okay? It's too lower down the waist, thus it will make your pants look shorter. The next thing we have is choosing the right shoes. Looks good, right? However, if you want to appear taller, choose a shoe color that can blend with the color tone of your pants. Instead of using white, I can go for a darker colored shoes, like this one from Vans. By blending the color of your pants to your shoes, that's gonna give you a more lengthy appearance, as opposed to the opposite color, as it will break the color silhouette that we're trying to make. Which leads us to our next tip, and that is breaking the contrast. This look right here is good, it looks cool, but if the goal is to appear taller, we don't want to break the contrast. Breaking the contrast means using 2 opposite colors on the color wheel. In this case, it's white and navy. Include pa natin dyan yung white sneakers, which makes my pants look shorter. This is an example of an outfit using the same color tone. I'm using black on the top, navy on my pants, and brown using my Chelsea boots. Oh, did I forget to tell you that using boots will make you 1 to 2 inch taller? Yup, that's right. By using a blended color tones, you create an optical illusion of a more lengthy and elongated body frame. However, this is not the only option. If you want to wear a more lighter color tones, you just need to do the exact opposite of what I just told you on the last clip. You see, I'm wearing a pastel red button-down Oxford shirt at the top, a cream-colored pants, and a white sneakers at the bottom. You can also tuck it in to give it a more flavor and style, some attitude. Just make sure you use a belt that is around the brown color family, if that makes sense. The next one we have here is something that you may not be expecting to be in this list. And yes, it's a watch. Make sure that if you use a watch, it complements with the size of your forearm or your wrist. Alright, not too small and not too big in diameter. Don't look like this, okay? The last on our list is for those who are into shorts. If you wear shorts and you still want to look taller, make sure that it sits 1 to 2 inches above your knees. If you're using shorts na ganito kahaba, it's okay, I have a tip for you. You can try folding it once And if you think you're not yet satisfied with that, you can fold it once again. The goal here is to expose your knees down to your legs for you to appear more taller. And there you go. Let's just do a recap. First is the length of your pants or your jeans and your ideal waistline. Next is the color of your shoes. Make sure that it complements with the color tone of your pants. Third is that you don't break the contrast. Make sure that you use colors that are in the same color tone. Next is the watch that you use. Make sure that it complements with your wrist size and your forearm size. And lastly, when choosing your shorts, make sure it's 1 to 2 inches above your knees. And there you go. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day and see you in my next video. Peace.